Little engine that could.
Yeah.
Always in the video when picking up motors and shit. Yeah, man. It's that time. Well, guys, we're fucking finally loaded. You won't know the years gap between this, but boy, it been a fucking process. And look, I got the nigga with me again. It's always with me for these pickups and drop-offs. God damn, this been a long road.
I am tired of you.
Fuck, man, you think you could do this to me? Shit, let's go.